Good morning. So today we have Neeraj Baradwaj, GM of India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh from ASMPT joining us. Thank you, sir, for taking the time to join us in this interview.
Thank you. Thank you for having
All
me.
right. So to start off with, for someone who's new to electronics manufacturing, how would you explain what ASMPT is?
Uh, ASMPT is one of the leading manufacturer of hardware and software portfolio into semiconductor electronics as well as for the SMT equipments industry. We are the world leading supplier of the equipments supporting electronics in terms of semicon market as well as for the SMT market.
All right.
And if you talk about the whole scenario, we are based out of from headquartered in Singapore.
Okay.
And we have locations worldwide producing the equipments ranging from Europe towards where we produce our placement equipments and printers. And then coming back to Asia, where we have factories for our semicon as well as SMT equipment.
All right. Okay. And could you walk us through its legacy and the Siemens connection and how it's helped you grow into what you are today?
Primarily, the ASMPT was a semicon industry equipment manufacturer. And way back in 2011, they started the SMT division by acquiring the Siemens placement machine business, which was branded under Cplace brand.
Okay.
And the legacy comes from back where the technology, Siemens used to be a technology leader moving forward. ASMPT provided a comfortable base moving forward for taking the legacy forward.
Okay.
Similarly, they added the UK deck portfolio for printer market, which enhanced the SMT product portfolio for ASMPT SMT.
Okay.
We have been doing this moving forward. We also added software and hardware factory solutions in terms of material towers, our software suites for intelligent factory solutions, providing the customers with a broad spectrum of SMT equipment for the total EMS and manufacturing facilities to take care of those.
Okay. All right. And how has India been as a market for ASMPT, especially with the Make in India initiatives?
India has been a very dynamic market moving forward. We have been in this industry from last 23 years. We have seen ups and downs, but last 5 years have been really incredible.
Okay.
We have seen the growth moving forward is exponential.
Okay.
This year has been really a remarkable year. 2018 was the last year we had a record year. And I think this year would be another where we would be even breaking the 2018 record.
Okay.
So in terms of market spectrum, we see the government initiatives, PLI schemes, Made in India, pushed by the government, has helped us to do a remarkable growth, not only in terms of equipment suppliers, but overall market growth in terms of all the equipment suppliers.
Okay.
And I foresee this will continue for many years moving forward.
All right. And so talking about the schemes and policies, do you have any suggestions for any sort of policy improvements that you believe could further help with manufacturing in India?
Government initiated this initiative of PLI and Make in India way back in 2018. And it's already more than 7 years. And we are seeing the results. We can see from the show itself, the passion and the crowd which is pulling the market right now is exponential.
Okay.
And definitely these initiatives have also helped us. Not only they started the initiative with the mobile phone manufacturing, then it was offered in the white goods, and now IT hardware and all those things.
Okay.
So success was started from mobile phone manufacturing of these initiatives, replicated in white goods, and later on also replicated in the IT hardware segment. So I foresee this will continue. Government knows what is doing, and it's showing the results also. And recent 2 weeks back, we also had a semicon show. And we can see the enthusiasm in the people of the country as well as suppliers and the manufacturers.
Yeah.
We foresee this policy implementation, which is on the right track, will move the market to the next level.
All right. And for the next level, so how do you see the roadmap ahead?
We have new equipments going to be coming in next 2 years, which are lined up especially for the global as well as catering to the high volumes. That would be suitable for the customers, not only across world, but also for the Indian market.
Okay.
So these lineups, software suites, intelligent factory softwares, material management systems, MES systems, all these integrated together to give a customer a intelligent factory solution, robust solution, where they can produce and with high quality products with low DPMs, high yields. This is the focus of the ASMPT being a technology leader.
Okay. And what are the key factors that has helped you lead the company to these the huge growth that we've been able to see?
The key factors from the technology point of view always have been innovation, accuracy, and quality products.
Okay.
This is the where ASMPT stands different from the other vendors who are in operating a similar market space.
Okay. All right. And what about any key factors that or any advice that you'd like to share about your leadership? How you've been able to
Based
bring
on
this
my
forward?
experience in the industry, best in class equipments also needs the best in class support.
Okay.
And that is where your first order equipment can get you. But the next level of orders and repeat orders, which customers give you based on the faith, is coming from the service background.
Okay.
And where we see a lot of potential for support existing already in the market. And this is also communicated back to us, to the market, with the repeated orders to the existing customers and adding new customers to our product portfolio.
All right. And anything to share from how you manage your team and how you also help them grow?
India has been a dynamic market, not only in terms of talent and also in terms of equipment supply. But equipments can work only if you have the best talents to support those equipments. And a lot of opportunity is there. Retaining talent is definitely a challenge right now, because in the way we are operating in the market space, the volume of the equipments which are coming in India, definitely we need a support team.
Okay.
And just to support that, we have already duplicated or doubled our team who is supporting the Indian market.
Okay.
Just to support the high volume of mega projects which we received this year.
Okay.
And we expect the similar kind of growth and support we extended to the customers previously would be extended this year. And this will help the development of the talent pool also.
All right.
Additionally, what we have done is also we have tied up with some of the universities to recruit the next level of interns who on job gets training with our engineers, experienced engineers, so that we have the right amount of talent going into the market to support these businesses.
Okay. And so this is the final question. Any chance of seeing a made in India ASMPT?
Right now, we need some more volumes to be in. Definitely, we are currently doing manufacturing either across the globe, but moving forward, it may take some time.
All right. All right. So those are all the questions I've had. Thank you very much for taking the time to answer them. Have a nice day.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice talking.